My name is Andrew Lee. I'm the owner of Ronnie Lee's Automotive. My dad was Ronnie Lee. He started here in 1998. He had been with BMW for many years prior to opening the shop, so it just means a lot to follow in his footsteps and carry on the family name. We've been open for 25 years now. It's been my whole life. I was 5 years old when we opened, so this is my life. Everybody that's helped make that possible, that's really been a big factor in my life, and we're very thankful for it.
I purchased my first BMW at Grady BMW. This was in 1985, and Ronnie was working there. He was the person that we bought our car from. He said he was going to open a shop, so when he did, we just transferred our services over here in 1998.
Ronnie was the only person that I would allow to work on my car. He became a very good friend. Anybody that dealt with Ronnie loved dealing with Ronnie.
Me and Ronnie were there when the first BMWs were dropped. There wasn't any BMW dealers around this place. So we started out right then working on it. Ronnie was good at it.
He was the best BMW technician I've ever been around. More than that, he was one of the finest men you'll ever meet.
That's the lineage here. So it started there. Ronnie was always willing to talk to people and was mentor for this young man who got all the right upbringing. He's as straight and honest as the day is long. His dad would be just super proud of him. That's what it boils down to.
He always wanted to be the best at what he was doing. And Andrew's like that.
When I see Andrew, I see his daddy.
Taking over the shop was a big undertaking. I was 15 years old when my dad passed away, so there is a lot of pressure to keep a good standard and keep his name good, and that's what we want to do. We're here every day for him. We've been here a long time. We've met many people and made lots of friends and connections, and our customers are our family. Our level of service has always been top-notch. We're honest with our customers, so just the generations as we keep going on, we hope to continue that.
I've told a lot of people this about Ronnie Lee, but everybody seems to know Ronnie Lee's place because it has such a great reputation. They're just wonderful people. They're like family.
I'm eternally grateful that this place is here. I thank him all the time. You can't find a finer young man than Andrew. His daddy would be so proud of him.
We will always love him forever. Andrew and the rest of the staff is my family, and we'll depend on him forever.
If you're looking for an honest place to have your European car worked on, we'd love to have you.
We've been here for 25 years. It means a lot to us that the Eastern Shore has supported us that long in surrounding areas. We're real thankful and appreciative of everybody, and we've made a lot of memories with you guys, and we hope to make many more.